Imagine a collision repair service that's both fast and reliable, where quality is never compromised. Welcome to Miracle Body and Paint in San Antonio, Texas. Known for expeditious and dependable repairs, we're the first choice for fleet owners needing their vehicles back on the road. We understand that time is of the essence. Our team of expert technicians work diligently, ensuring your fleet never misses a beat. But it's not just about the speed. At Miracle Body and Paint, every repair is a testament to our commitment to quality. We believe in miracles, not just in name, but in every repair we undertake. Each vehicle is treated with utmost care and precision, because we know that every minute counts. Experience the Miracle Body and Paint difference today. Fast, reliable, and always putting quality first. Because we're not just repairing vehicles, we're restoring peace of mind. Remember, when it comes to collision repair, don't just choose any service. Choose the Miracle in San Antonio, Texas. Choose Miracle Body and Paint.